Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to read the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat from Honeydew of 8th standard. Students, this poem is about Macavity, a mystery cat. Macavity is a light-hearted poem. When you read, you would know that it is a light-hearted poem. It describes the activities of the most mysterious cat in a humorous way. The cat is here given a personality of a human being with the traits, with his deeds of a hardened criminal and vanishing from the site of the crime. Here, many times poet says that when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You cannot find the Macavity on the scene of crime. So, he vanished from the site of crime. His ability to rise and float in the air against the law of gravity. He is breaking the law of gravity. That will make even a fakir stare in wonder. The style describes a mere cat, but the terms used in describing it are generally used for a master criminal who can be a master in crime. These terms have been used in a clever way by this cat, which produces a humorous effect on the reader. The rhyme effect adds to the comic effect to the poem when you use the rhyme also. So, by reading this poem, you will know that the poet is very much fond of cats. For him, cat is a mysterious creature. Macavity may be his mischievous pet, maybe, who did lawless activities. He does not follow any law, any rule. So the poet calls him a fiend and monster. What he is telling in this poem about a cat, let's see. Let's read. We are going to start reading. Macavity's mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard and flying squads. Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London Police Force, and flying squad, it is a group of soldiers or the police that be ready to move into action. And bafflement means confoundment, puzzled, confused. So he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads despair. Despair means disappointment. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. After committing the crime, he vanished from the scene of crime. So nobody can catch him. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. This is the favorite line of poet. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. As you know, humans cannot fly in the sky, fly in the air without support. So, because of gravity of the earth, so this cat is breaking the law of gravity because he can fly in the air without support. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation means floating in the air without support. So his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Stare means to look at. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger means cautious. He is a cautious cat. He is very tall and thin. Physically, poet is describing the cat. You would know him if you saw him. for his eyes are sunken in. Sunken means lying at the bottom of. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Domed means round, rounded. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers, hair like bristle on the face of the cat. Whiskers. He never combed his whiskers, so whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movement like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. I told you, student, this line shows the poet how much fond of cats. This is, it is the favorite line of the poet. For he is fiend, he is a fiend and feline in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. So this cat is also a morally corrupt. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. So poet want to tell us that Macavity is a mystery cat. Poet is saying he is the most clever criminal. He breaks the law, but is never caught red-handed. Macavity is a master criminal. Poet is calling him a master criminal because no crime agency was ever able to arrest this criminal mastermind during or after his committing a crime. After doing crime, he vanished from that place. The poet calls him a master criminal who defies the law. He does not follow any rule or law. He is too clever to leave any evidence of his guilt, of his crime. He baffles even the Scotland Yard, as the poet says in the starting of the poem. He baffles even the Scotland Yard and the Flying Squad. Poet says that he is a puzzle for every detective agency in the world, including Scotland Yard and Flying Squad, who are the specialized investigating crime. They are fed up because they cannot catch Macavity. Whenever they reach the scene of crime scene, Macavity is not there. Macavity breaks every human law and the law of gravity, I told you. Macavity floats in the air without support. By seeing this, a fakir is mesmerized. He is very tall and thin with sunken eyes. His brows are deeply lined. His head is highly domed. Uncombed whiskers means he never combs his whiskers. His movements resemble like of a snake very much. He sways his head like a snake. So is this movement. The poet calls him a devil cat, who is very alert and smart in his actions. When you think he is sleeping, he is wide awake. In fact, he is morally corrupt. Poet says in the poem that you may meet and see him everywhere, but whenever his crime is discovered, you will not find him there at the scene of crime. So students, I hope you understood this. What the poet wants to tell us about the Macavity. I hope you understood well. Thank you for watching and listening this. Have a nice time.